multiply a number by 8 and then take its square root, the answer is 16. What is the mystery number? Okay, let's write this out. It says, when I multiply a number. Okay, we don't know what a number is. It says a number. So we have a here, and then we have number here. And whenever you have this kind of a statement, a number, let me just redraw that. Okay. Yeah, good. Whenever you have the statement a number or the phrase a number, then that means you have to start putting your imagination together. That means there's a number that we don't know, and we're told that it's a number. It can be any number at all. So because it can be any number, you need to represent that number with a letter. And the letter that's being used in maths is X. So we don't know what that number is. So it's a mystery number. We're going to call it an X. So let's go back to the question. It says what? It says when I multiply a number by 8. Now this is the number. We don't know what it is. Let's make it red. A number. I multiply it by 8 and then take its square root. Wait a minute. Good. Let's put it this way. A number by 8. You don't write it this way. X8. It's impossible. You don't write the letters first. You have to write the number first. So this one here comes first. And then this one here comes second. So this is total injustice. So if you want to write it properly, you write 8x, not x8. So we're going to rewrite it. So what we're going to do is we're going to rub this off. Good. And then remove this one, remove that. We're going to take this one here. We're going to bring him to the other side. It's much better this way. Good. So we've written it properly. So we have 8x. When I multiply a number by 8, that is 8x, and then take its square root. Oh, how do I take its square root? Okay, take its square root. You just go this way. That's how to take its square root. So 8 times something, when you take its square root, you find its square root, it's going to give you something. Good, let's see. Let's go back. When I multiply a number by 8 and then take its square root, which we have done, it now says what? It says the answer is 16. Oh, that means I will get what here? I'm going to get 16. Beautiful. So we have taken a statement now and we now put it into an equation form. Now, finally, it says what? It says, what is the mystery number? The mystery number here, let's just tidy up. The mystery number here refers to what? Refers to X. So what does X stand for? That's the mystery number. Okay, let's tidy up. We know what it is now. We understand the question. Let's go. Let's change this to a black. Okay, good. Okay, how do we take out the red? I'm going to be a bit clever here. Let's see. Beautiful. It's gone. Good. So we have this. The square root of 8x is equal to 16. Good. So what do we do? Now, this is what we do. Now, we are looking for the value of x. Therefore, we will be taking some stuff out one by one to the right-hand side. The first one we're going to take is this one here. Let's just tidy up a bit first. We're going to take this one out. This one here. It covers the 8x. We are after the x, but first of all, we have to remove that because it covers, it's just like a roof. It covers 8x. Good. So we're going to deal with that first. So we're going to deal with that. We're going to take him and we're going to take him from here. We're going to take it to the other side of the equal sign. So this is the equal sign in the middle here. So we're going to take it to the other side. And when it goes to the other side, it changes. So what do you have? We've taken it. You have 8x here. It's equal to 16. You've taken it to the other side. And when it gets to the other side, it's going to square everything that meets that. So it meets what there? It meets 16. So it's going to be 16 squared. So 16 times 16. 16 times 16 will be what? So now 16 will give you 2. 5, 6. Beautiful. So we now have what? We now have 8x here. You're still fine. Good. Okay, let's tidy up. Okay, good. Now, the next step is we're going to take the 8. Remember, we took out this one first. It's gone. And now we're going to go for what? We're going to go for the 8 until x is left. We want x to remain. And that's how to find the value of something. Just make sure that you don't touch it. You just leave it there. Just leave the x here. That's a mystery number. Leave it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. And finally, you're going to get here. You now still have the x there. And don't touch it. And now the x goes to the other side of the equal sign, and it goes here to do what? It goes here to divide. The reason why it's dividing is it was with the x, it was multiplying x. 8 times x is 8x. When it gets to the other side, it's going to divide. And when it gets there, it will divide. So let's go. We're going to have a 2, 5, 6 divided by 8. Beautiful. We don't have enough space, so let's squash this. Good. So squash them. And what do we have? Now we have enough space now. Beautiful. Good. So what do we have now? So x is going to be what? So 256 divided by 8 will give us a 32. So we can have a 32 there. So this brings us to the end of this question. Okay, let's just take this and just bring it up a bit. Beautiful. Good. So our A and S now. A and S is equal to 32. Beautiful.